morning, just when the main indices were about to close on a 52-week high, came the somewhat unexpected RBI rate hikes. That the central bank would increase key rates was a given with inflation spiking to double digits. But what was surprising was the timing of the announcement. Also post the January meet, RBI had maintained that it would not hike rates before the April meet. But last week, a deputy governor said that the central bank was open to revising rates up even before the 20th of April if inflation rises sharply. We expect a fall of about 1 to 1.5% in the key indices at the start. The fall will be paced by banks and other rate-sensitive sectors like the real estate. Whether the decline stops there or continues will determine the near-term course for the market. One will also have to keep in mind and an eye on the global cues, especially from Europe, where Greece will hold a summit with regional leaders for emergency aid. F&O expiry and a public holiday will add to the uncertainty and volatility. One positive thing for the market is that FII flows have held up pretty well, and the S&P's upgrade of India's outlook would improve things on this front. In the next few days, quarterly earnings will take the center stage, and further ahead, juncture and monsoons will have some bearing on the sentiments. Till then, the markets will remain sideways with a positive bias. The market may rebound after an initial blip today, and the NSE Nifty could find support at 5,200. If that happens, it may even breach 5,300 soon, provided the global markets are supportive and the FII inflows remain healthy. Bharti Airtel will be in the spotlight as it has arranged funding for the acquisition of Zen. Reliance Industries has renewed talks with the ONGC-led consortium to pick up stake in the Carabobo 1 oil block in Venezuela. Monet Ispat plans to set up cement plants in Chhattisgarh and Gujarat with an investment of about 24 billion rupees. Sanghi Industries has acquired land in Kenya to build a cement plant. Foreign exchange reserves rose by 1.3 billion US dollars to 280 billion US dollars for the week ended March 12. The potential market for data and video services has driven as many as 11 companies to file applications to bid for the broadband wireless access spectrum. The Secretary of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas hints at price hike again. The government is considering the setting up of an independent regulator for the mining sector to deal with issues such as irregularities and delays in clearances. The World Bank has approved a credit of 1.05 billion US dollars to support 2 education projects in India. Moving on to the recommendations. HDIL, we recommend traders to sell the stock between the range of Rs 297 to Rs 302 by maintaining a stop loss at Rs 308 for a target price of Rs 280. And DCHL, we recommend traders to buy the stock between the range of Rs 172 to Rs 174 to maintain a stop loss at Rs 167 for a target price of Rs 183. Moving on to the derivatives, we have long ICSA April future at Rs 135 for a target price of Rs 145 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 130 for a lot size of 1200. And long PTC India April future at Rs 113 for a target price of Rs 180 and a stop loss is to be